Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm here with my another video. This video is about some flat sandals which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very nice slipper. It's with the different colorful things which looks really nice and really pretty. And this one is also a very nice like sponge which looks really beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very uh, amazing kind of golden color slipper. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of flat sandals that can help you to upgrade the collection of your footwears and make it more interesting, more beautiful and more pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of slippers. It's in a different colors which looks really beautiful and really pretty. And this one is also a very nice, it looks really beautiful. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of footwears. And flat sandals are the wardrobe staple that execute comfort and style, perfect for warm weather, casual outings, or everyday wear. With their flat sole and breathable design, these sandals allow your feet to breathe and move freely, making them an excellent choice for outdoor activities, beach trips, or simply running errands. From sleek and minimalist designs to bold and statement-making styles, flat sandals come in a wide range of shapes, size, and materials, ensuring there's a pair to suit every taste and preference. Whether you opt for classic flip-flops, strappy slides, or sporty sandals with contoured footbeds. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video.